Hi, welcome to PHP and MySQL video. We are going to continue xampp installation. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. The notes for this video can be found here at this URL, which is case sensitive, and it is already loaded here. So this video is optional. It's only when you want to change the port and you hear a problem with xampp. So let's say xampp is running. You have an unexpected shutdown problem here, and you want to fix that. Okay, this is what you need to do. There are certain steps here that you can follow. Okay, and there's a link here to fix this. I'm just going to make it slightly bigger so you can actually see it. So the first thing you need to do is you want to stop your xampp. And then you can actually change the configuration file. Okay, so if you click on the CONFIG and click on this, the first one, you'll open the configuration file. And this file, this is one way to open it. Another way to open it is actually to look at the location of the file in C drive, which is in C drive, xampp, Apache, configuration. This is the file. Okay, if you can right click on it and open with, say, Notepad++, you can actually go in and change the file. You can also change the file by going to the control panel, configuration, and click on this. They open the same file. It's the same thing. So we have that file opened. Go over there. The instruction is here. Find a line that actually says listen 80. So I'm going to copy this and then do a find. So you find the file listen 80. Okay, so you can change the file to listen 8080. And then still in this file, you find this line. I'm going to Control C, Control V. And change this to 8080 as well. Control S to save. So that will solve the port 80 conflict problem. And we also want to change the port 443. So again, you come over here, click on the configuration, but go to the second file. That file is actually somewhere here as well. I'm not going to go there to look for it, but you can actually find it in the C drive. I'm not going to look for it now. I'm just going to quickly change this. So that's the file name. Look for this line. And say I want to change it to 4433. And then I want to go to this line. And change this to 4433. Close. Okay. Now You can keep it on and just try to start it, or you can close it and start it again. And you realize that your port is changed to 8080 and 4433. Now, your port 80 won't work. Okay, so if you go to localhost and do port 80, it will not work. It's going to die. So it's going to give you error, run a long time, and give you an error message. Okay. I'm not going to go there. So if you go and do a localhost 8080, okay, it's going to work. So you technically bypass port 80 and change it to 8080, bypass port 443 and change it to 4433. Okay. So that is how to solve the shutdown problem due to port conflict. But I don't like it. I want to change it back. So to change it back, you just do the backward, do this backward. Okay. So to change it back, I'm going to shut down this, shut down the Apache web server, go to configuration, go to the second one, and look for, oops, sorry, just now I should change this one as well. So I only changed this one. So technically I should change this and this. Okay. But it's okay. We are just going to, so I should have done this and then it should run this way, and then you run the port 8080. Okay, let's move backward. Let's return it to normal. Oops, I should have opened it twice. Okay, come back here. So you look for the place that you have made changes. Okay, so change this to back to the old 443. Control S to save, or you can do a file save, close it, and then go back to this, change it back to port 80. Oops, I haven't changed the listen. I'm sorry. I have to go back to change the listen back to 443 here. Change this to 443. And then 2 more steps here. So change back this to 80. Control S to save. And then look for this. Change it back to 80. Okay. All right. So 4 steps. After it's done, you can actually start here, or you want to close it and start Apache. So now you can see the port is 80. And port 8080 won't work, so you have to go back to this way. So it's running now, or you don't like it, you can actually just do localhost your work, or you can do this. The server will be running as well. Okay. All right. So looks like it's a good place to start the video. So what we did was we changed the port, let it run, and I will change it back. It's a bit tedious, but it helps if you know where to find the configuration files. Okay, and all the good stuff here. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we're actually going to do some coding. Okay. We'll be right back.